welcome back, crew. Hey, we are headed this morning to CO Counts, see what type of progress he's made on the 55 Pontiac. And he also told me that he got a little surprise for me. He said it's something over his place he want me to look at. He said it's not his, but so he must either got someone else's vehicle over there, or he's working on somebody else's vehicle, which he normally does not work on other people's vehicles. So I'm kind of curious to see what he has over there. So we're gonna take a trip over there this morning and see what's going on. So I'm actually kind of excited to hear. This month we'll be actually probably headed to another swap meet, pick up some supplies for both our vehicles, and so we'll see. So I hope everybody been enjoying all the videos lately, guys, that I've been putting out and everything. Tell you what's a lot of work, man, a lot of work, but we're getting it done, and we're having fun, having a blast. But I tell you what, man, this 55 Pontiac is just turned out immaculate, man. Now he had finished up the last video we watched. He was actually working on the door panels, the locks and everything. So I know he's finished up the door panels and everything. So now he had to do some other work for his building, because that's his trade for his carpentry and everything as well. So he actually took about a week and a half to work on somebody's house, whatever. So this is my first time back here over the counts, probably about 2 weeks. So I'm not sure, knowing him, he didn't have the trunk ready or completed. So knowing him, he probably already got the trunk done and everything. So we're almost at this place. I'm gonna turn you guys back on once we get inside his garage, guys. So I already know something ain't right, because he got the 2500 right here, and he got the caddy right here. So he must got something else in the place. See here what's going on. Man, hey, I said something's going. What is it, 62, 61?
2.
Oh man, I feel like crying, man.
You feel like crying?
I really do, man.
That's little Roddy's.
Oh really?
Yeah, that ain't mine.
Well, man, I tell you what though, I didn't know he had a 62. This is my baby here, man.
This is the one he went out somewhere another west or something and bought.
Dang, it is a pretty truck. He did good on this truck. I mean, heck, man.
It's a pretty truck. He needs a little more meat on the rims.
Which on the top? Yeah, I don't like those when they're, I like a little bit of meat, but
Well,
yeah, I like a little bit more meat on them too, because
stand back and look at it, all it is the rim.
Exactly.
You see the tire.
So I mean, it's not made for cruising, that's for sure.
No, it's going right up the low way.
He did the same thing to his
Well, this back here was already done, but he took this off and redid it.
Right, he did the same. That's how I did my bed. I put that
Yeah, he added
cap
that.
in there.
The tank was actually behind the seat. He added that.
Man, I tell you what, boy, Ronnie hooked this thing up though. I'm telling you, he hooked this up.
Yeah, that's a pretty truck.
He is. Oh man, I tell you what, this bring back memories here, man. I tell you, man, I always wanted my 62, but no, I mean, this truck is well worth every bit of 30 though.
Oh God, yeah.
I mean, golly. I'm gonna sit in that more. Go ahead and close
He
that
ain't gonna
door.
buy nothing for 30 no more.
He did an awesome job. Go ahead and close that door for me.
Yeah, you ain't gonna
He
buy
put
nothing.
those bear claw latches in there too.
Yeah, he said he couldn't get the door shut. He had to.
Yeah, he put those bear claw latches in there. I tell you what, man, God, this brings back memory. Man, I'm getting all teary eyed. Oh man. What?
This thing, huh? I'm building a
Yeah, put the cover for him.
cover for it.
Right.
Yeah, this is your early model. This is one of the very first motors that I done fuel injected back in the early 90s.
So that's the fuel injector motor?
Yeah, this is the very first Chevrolet motor they came out with the throttle body.
Really?
What year this one is? It came out about 87, I think.
Oh, okay.
88. it came out, and then they went up from there. But this is one of the very, about 93, I put one of these in my first fuel injector I used this motor right here. They kindly, it's a 350, but they're a little weak. They ain't got a whole lot of power.
First last time when you finished them.
Yeah, they finally used this love doing it right there.
I do. That thing is slick.
Yeah, love door right here. I don't know how.
That thing is slick there, man. No Ken did, boy. Yeah, man. I tell you what. That's wild. Now, did you? How did you find this little insert piece here?
That comes with the car.
Oh, okay. Oh, with the other. Okay.
That's actually 55 shit. We need to buy a couple of them to go Carlisle.
Yeah, actually, I mean, because you can use those as in any vehicle.
Exactly. Anytime you get to making these armrests, you always use these little things up there. See, that's all that is 55 Chevy.
So now you got everything done, and
Done in there. Yeah.
all the gauges working now, right?
Everything don't work yet. I've got to actually, when I get it running, I've got to turn all that stuff in. I've got to program.
Oh, that's right. That's what they got said. So basically, in that other part that you brought for,
I got my oil center in York, but I got it is not running through that computer.
right, but that's just a waste of money, though. We don't need to. I don't need to buy that extra piece.
I might even unhook it.
Yeah.
Look, all that damn thing really does for me right now, it does my temperature, and it's supposed to do the fuel. But the rest of my fuel works, the rest of my temperatures works, so what the hell I need with that?
Yeah. So let's look at the trunk. So let's go ahead and close
It's
this.
a waste of money.
Let's go ahead and close. I don't even know how to close the door. That's the only thing about your car is that, I mean, heck, man, since it don't got no handle or anything, you gotta touch the outside somehow to close it. Fingerprints. Not unless you walk around like some of those guys at the car shows with a rag, you know.
King
Yeah.
didn't think about that, did he?
No. Look at that.
Yeah, King didn't think about all the fingerprints you're gonna put on your door when you design your house.
So he's almost. So you're basically almost. I say 80% complete, huh, with the truck? Because
It's probably 50. It's gonna take as long to do with this as it does design that. Probably longer.
I like the idea of that design.
First thing I gotta do now is build that. First thing I gotta do now is I gotta build this spare tire cover. Then I can't do this up here until the spare tire cover is done.
That design there, it comes off of that there, how you did it. It comes off of that there. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I'm gonna take a last little picture of
Alright, dude, I'm gonna get on this thing over here.
future car. I should tell Ronnie, ask him if he want to do another one. If he want to do another one, we work on a trade the hard way like I did.
Yeah, the hard way. There ain't no money in that shit. He bought that thing, he gonna make money. And I told him at the beginning, he was just different.
All right, Counts, I'm holler at you.
All right, John. Take it easy.
I appreciate you, brother.
Good luck to you, George.
All right. All right. So that's gonna be it. I just want to come over here and see old Counts. He did a good job. Let me get up in here. All right, crew. So that's gonna be it. I just wanted to show you guys. I didn't know I was gonna come and look at old 62 loan bed. Now, if you guys remember, my very first build was that 62 Chevy pickup truck step side, and I tell you, I like those trucks a lot. That was my first one. It brings back a lot of memories whenever I first started working on these old trucks, man. So anyway, he showed me that. I think that was a nice little treat. Also, I tell you, that 55 Pontiac is coming together, guys. What you guys think about it? I tell you, it's sweet. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you hanging out with me this morning. We're about to head back to the garage and start working on some of our projects. Don't forget to share and like these videos, guys. And if you're watching these videos, why haven't you already subscribed to the channel? You see the type of content we've been putting out over here at Restos and Mods. And hey, we're full blown, and we're gonna get it in 2021. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a fast car or truck, and if you got a good cigar, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next video.